Go.
Okay, so I'm just gonna deconstruct what I did here. So we have these flowers and a butterfly. So the flowers were just on by tape. This is just a little butterfly from a craft store, Hobby Lobby, and it just has little tacky tape on it. So you can literally enhance anything you do by just putting these little things on there. They just stick. The flowers, they were just clipped to the bucket, and there's so many things you could do with flowers. You could do something like that. You could put it hanging over, but you want a good batch of flowers. And then these are flowers here as well. Okay, so flowers, this is cardboard butterfly. This bucket is just a galvanized bucket from Home Depot. So we'll take out posers from Little Prop that are in here. This is from Mimosa House. This is actually a beanbag blanket. What's in here is the original Freeform from Modest Little Me. It's so dirty. It has a weight in here, and so it goes in the bucket, and it has a wire here so you can lean it over the bucket. So we take that out, and all I did was usually I do a wrap, but I didn't bring this color wrap, so I brought the beanbag fabric. So there's just a clip here. This is Home Depot as well. And so we just wrap around the bucket. You don't even have to paint it. And there you go. You have a bucket. I think this is a 10-quart bucket. And the measurement is 11 by 7. Any kind of fabric will do. Clip. You don't have to have Freeform, but I love it because it's just easy and it has a weight. If you don't have a weight in here, then you should put a disc weight in there. Posers, flowers, embellishments, you're done. And I'll show you the photo of what it looks like. And this is the photo.